I am K.K. Mishra, Chemistry, वीडियो फॉर क्लास 12। आज हम लोग ऑक्सीजन फर्स्ट कंपाउंड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें अल्कोहल, फिनॉल और ईथर आता है। ऑक्सीजन फर्स्ट कंपाउंड का मतलब है वैसा ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जिसमें ऑक्सीजन कार्बन से सिंगल बॉन्ड द्वारा जुड़ा होता है। अल्कोहल, फिनॉल और ईथर, इन तीनों प्रकार के कंपाउंड में ऑक्सीजन कार्बन से सिंगल बॉन्ड द्वारा जुड़ा होता है। अल्कोहल का फंक्शनल ग्रुप OH होता है, जिसे हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप भी कहा जाता है, जिसका जनरल फार्मूला CnH2n+1OH होता है। यूपीएससी नेम अल्कोहल का लिखते वक्त एल्केन से ई को रिमूव कर OL टाइटल के रूप में जोड़ते हैं एज सफिक्स, और एल्केनॉल यूपीएससी नेमिंग के रूप में लिखा जाता है। एग्जाम्पल फॉर मिथेनॉल, इथेनॉल, प्रोपेनॉल। इसका कॉमन नेम CS फंक्शनल और मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला में CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH एंड रेस्पेक्टिवली। CH3 मिथाइल OH अल्कोहल, मिथाइल अल्कोहल, C2H5 इथाइल अल्कोहल। लेकिन इसी को यूपीएससी नेमिंग में इथेनॉल, इथेन से ई को निकाल करके OL सफिक्स जोड़ दिया गया है, इथेनॉल हो जाता है। अल्कोहल इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स यूज्ड इन वेरियस फील्ड, मेडिसिन, वाइन इंडस्ट्री, solvent, fuels as power alcohols and etc. So alcohol is most important. The classification of alcohol compound, because several compounds, a lot of compounds belonging from the hydroxyl group, so it is necessary to classify them. So classification of these compounds, alcohol, on the basis of two ways, on the basis of number of OH group in compound and on the basis of hybridization by which COH attached. On the basis of number of OH groups, monohydroxy alcohol, dihydroxy alcohol and trihydroxy or polyhydroxy alcohol compounds. Remaining phenol is also classified monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol and polyhydric phenol. Monohydric alcohol, it means the alcoholic compound containing single OH group. So these compounds containing single OH groups, but that OH groups attached with different degree of carbons. In first example, OH group attached with 1 degree carbon, but in next OH group attached with 2 degree carbon, and next having 3 degree carbon. Propane 1-ol 1 degree, propane 2-ol 2 degree and 2-methyl butane 2-ol 3 degree. So this degree of carbon 1, 2, 3 also called primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Now dihydroxy, it means compound containing two hydroxyl group. OH, OH, compound containing two carbons and both carbon bear one hydroxyl group. So compound containing two hydroxyl group. Ethane 1,2-diol, also called glycol or ethylene glycol. The OH group or the number of more than one OH group to hydroxyl group, either attached with the single carbon or by two adjacent carbon atom. In this compound, two OH group attached with the same carbon, so it is called geminal diol, gem diol. Ethane 1,1 diol and ethane 1,2 diol, both carbon containing the one OH group. So ethane 1,2 diol. But we should write the prefix gem and vis, geminal diol and vicinal diol. Two adjacent carbon bears OH group is called vicinal diol, but the same carbon bears both OH group is called geminal diol. Gem diol is unstable in respect of the vis diol. Polyhydroxyl, compound containing 3 carbon and all 3 carbon bears one OH group. This compound named as propane 1,2,3 triol, commonly called glycerol. Now, on the basis of hybridization COH group का, just similar to classification of haloalkane. In previous classes, we learned the classification of haloalkane on the basis of hybridization sp3 and sp2. sp3, three classes: alkyl, allyl and benzyl. Alkyl, allyl and benzyl. We defined the alkyl group containing the OH. The OH group attached with sp3 hybrid carbon, but next carbon must have double bond. And benzyl, the OH group attached with sp3 carbon, but that carbon attached with the benzene ring. All three groups, alkyl, allyl and benzyl, may be primary, secondary and tertiary. Next, sp2 hybridization is of two types, vinyl alcohol and phenyl alcohol. In vinyl alcohol, OH group attached with sp2 hybrid carbon, but that carbon containing the double bond or that carbon attached with another carbon by double bond. But in phenylic alcohol, the OH group attached with sp2 hybrid carbon, but that carbon present in benzene ring. So, these are the classification of alcohol and phenols. There are 5 examples given below, belonging from out of these 5 examples, they are belonging from different class. Can you identify their class and can write their IUPAC name? The first case, belonging from, and next, and next, next, and next. Should try to write their IUPAC name and also identify these compounds class. The second questions, some examples are given. Their structure formula are given. And you should write their IUPAC name and also choose out of them which is vinyl, alkyl and allyl alcohol. On the basis of the above definition, we easily choose from these given examples which is vinyl alcohol, which is alkyl alcohol, and which is allyl alcohol. Now, ether also belongs from the oxygen first compound. ROR functional group हो गया इसका. The general formula of ether is CnH2n plus 2O. O, the functional group O, attached with two alkyl or aryl or alkyl aryl groups. Their classification is symmetrical and unsymmetrical ether. Symmetrical ether are those in which both sides of the functional group O, the alkyl or aryl groups are same. If they are different, then belongs from the unsymmetrical ether. R इक्वल नहीं है R डैश के, R इक्वल है R डैश के. Alkyl ether. The common name of ether compound should write alkyl ether. The both alkyl should write alphabetically. Ethyl, methyl ether, not methyl ethyl ether. But the IUPAC name is quite different from the common name. The IUPAC name of ether compound is alkoxyalkane. The two alkyl groups attached with the O, the smaller alkyl group contain oxy as suffix, and bigger alkyl groups is the parent chain and should write name alkane. So the IUPAC name of etheric compound as alkoxyalkane. Oxy added as suffix in a smaller carbon chain, alkane, and bigger carbon chain alkane is parent chain. So we should write these examples. The O containing two alkyl groups, one alkyl containing two carbon and another contain one carbon. Two carbon is ethyl and one carbon is methyl. So we should write methoxyethane because the oxy suffix added to the smaller carbon chain name, methoxyethane. Ethoxymethane is wrong. This compound also named as methoxyethane because it contains single carbon, methoxy and ethane.